Hi there, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Girl Next to the Side. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you are a return subscriber, then hello again. So, today we are going to talk about a very appropriate gym fragrance that I have recently discovered. I think it's been a month that I have been using it, and definitely I wanted to share with all of you so that you also have no trouble finding a good fragrance that perseveres through your sweaty workouts in the gym sessions. And the one that I'm talking about is this fragrance right here. So this fragrance is from Lair Water Girl. It's not a perfume, okay? This is a body mist. I think this is a deodorant, to be honest. And it's from Lair. This is the tropical berry fragrance. It is called, it is a body splash. I don't know what exactly it means. It is basically a body mist or a deodorant. I think this would be a body mist, okay? Because there's no air inside, it's all liquid. And this is 135 ml. I think I bought this for I think this costed me only 215 rupees. I ordered it from Amazon. And I'll just spray it once and you can see. uh so I have taken out the notes in case I go wrong, okay? So theoretically speaking, this one has apples, lemons, oranges, raspberry, with a hint of floral bloom of violet, jasmine, rose. So basically, in one word, it's the most fresh smelling, not perfume, it's the most fresh smelling body mist that I think I've ever tried. One of the most beautiful body mist to have that I have tried, and it is very appropriate for gym when you're in the gym, or even though if you have gone for any kind of physical exercise, you know that how much we sweat. And the moment we start sweating and those other vanilla gourmand fragrances, they have a very bad combination, okay? So that is the time where we actually need fragrances that smell fresh, that make you smell fresh, and definitely has to be long lasting. This is a very, very fresh smelling fragrance. This has florally, fruity, all kinds of notes to it. And this lasts for good 2 hours, after which 2.5 hours, after which it starts dying down. And that is fine because we go for workout for no more than I think 1.5 hours. And so this one works really well for me. I bought this from Amazon. You can get this from anywhere. I think this is available in Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, now in the instant grocery apps as well. So this is one of those fragrances which once you just apply, and after I apply, I have to walk quite a bit to reach my gym. And even after I reach the gym, people around me get that fragrance and not my bad sweat odor. So that is the reason why I bought this. And also after my gymming is done, okay, and even after I go for any other hit sessions or anything, even after that, this one is still there on my clothes, on my body, when I'm leaving and I'm back at home. So that is why this is a very good fragrance if you want something which is extremely affordable, 215 rupees only, but it is worth every penny, okay? So, and even though you are not someone who is going to go to a gym and just want a good body mist under 250 rupees, this is definitely the one for you. And so yeah, that's all about today's review. I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope you liked the product. And let me know what other products I can review in my series of review under 2 minutes. Thank you so much, guys. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.